Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Wassalamu Karim sallallahu alaihi wasallam. What we'll be talking on today will be on Ashabu Sabt, àwọn èèyàn Saturday. Àwọn làwọn èèyàn Saturday. Ọlọ́run sọ nínú Al-Qur'an pé wasi'alahum anil qarya allati kanat hadirat al-bahr iz ya'uduna fi sabt. Ọlọ́run sọ ní Suratul A'raf. Ọlọ́run tún sọ bómi pé istatihim aitanahum yawma sabtihim shara'an wa yawma la yazbituna la ta'tihim kadhalik nabluhum bima kanu yafsukun. Ọlọ́run sọ nípa àwọn eléyìí wípé àwọn èèyàn Saturday. Ọlọ́run wọ́n wọn pé ẹ má ṣe dẹ odò, ẹ má ṣe fish lọ́jọ́ Saturday. Wọ́n kọ̀ wọ́n gbọ́. Àwọn èèyàn Yahudi ni àwọn eléyìí tó yẹ pé Ọlọ́run gbá wọn mú, tọ́lọ́run sọ wọ́n di ọ̀bọ nínú ìgbà wọn. Ànábì wọn ni Ànábì Yusha. However, with this, there is a science discovery that human beings were created from apes, that due to evolution, that the forefathers of human beings were apes. Can we say this could be true or not? Because these people that they were turned to monkeys, that they were turned to apes during the lifetime of Prophet Yusha alayhi salam, they will always exhibit that characteristics with human being because they were once human being. Èèyàn ni wọ́n tẹ́lẹ̀. So science discovery, that's my thinking, that technically because human exhibit the same characteristics with apes, àwọn èèyàn yìí náà ń sọ tẹ̀gbọ́n Ọlọ́run ló sọ wọ́n dọ̀bọ. So àwọn náà mọ̀ bímọ, wọ́n sì ìran ọ̀bọ ni wọ́n báyẹn. Àwọn mọ̀ bímọ continuously. So it's a must for them to exhibit the characteristics. Allahumma najjina min kulli musiba. Àbí Ọlọ́run kó là wá kúrò níbi gbogbo musiba. Subhana rabbika rabbil izzati.